Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you all from Monday to Friday 5 different lunch and dinner ideas that will be very healthy, very tasty, and all these recipes will be inspired by Rujuta Diwekar ma'am's diet plan and diet idea. Many of you have requested me to share more and more lunch and dinner options, so here is today's video. Now let's start with Monday dinner or lunch idea. So my friends, whenever Monday comes, I always prefer to have something in vegetarian because on the weekend we always prefer to eat lots of different types of non-vegetarian food. That's why Monday is vegetarian. And my friends, at the end of today's video, on my Friday menu, you will see something delicious in Bengali style fish recipe. So please don't forget to watch this video till my Friday lunch or dinner plan. So now let's start with today's menu, that is Monday. Monday menu is super simple. I'll be making a delicious and healthy protein rich dal. With that I'll make a fiber rich vegetable and then I'll make some rice. So dal, chawal and sabji, typical Indian meal that I'll have on Monday. So for that, here on the oil I have added some panch foron, 2 pieces of dry red chili and also some tomatoes. Then I have added all the Indian spices like turmeric, cumin and red chili powder. And now here I am adding my boiled dal into it. I am adding today tur dal, but you can make this recipe with any kind of dal like chana dal, masoor dal or even moong dal. You have seen the recipe is very simple. Now I have added some water to make the perfect consistency. And now I'll add some garam masala on top. You can add any kind of extra spice like roasted cumin powder or jeera powder. But garam masala will add extra flavor into the dish and absolutely ghee because Rujuta ma'am says to always add ghee on the dal. So here also I'll add some ghee at the end and my sabji is also. And here I'm going to cover the lid and I'll let it cook in the low flame for 5 to 7 minutes. And here I want to show you my mixed vegetable. Veggie choice is up to yours, but today I'm using broccoli and capsicum. All these veggies are perfect especially for this winter time, and broccoli is always loaded with iron and extra essential vitamins, so I always love to add broccoli. This recipe I'll be using this olive oil today to make the sabji, and it will be kind of sauteed vegetable. I'll not cook this veggie for long period of time. It will be well cooked and also it will be very fiber and vitamin enriched. So yes, now I'm going to add some garlic cloves into it because garlic always adds some flavor whenever it mixes with olive oil. And now I'll add my veggie. I already told you that you can take whatever veggies are available in your kitchen or fridge. You can add cabbage or cauliflower, you can add some beans, carrot, but today I am using this because these are available in my kitchen. Rujuta ma'am always tells to have simple Indian homemade ghar ka khana. If you are on your weight loss journey, it is not necessary to discard carb from our diet. I mean, we can have dal, chawal, everything, but definitely we have to think about its quality. We should always have wholesome Indian meal. And now here I am adding just a little amount of red chili powder, not much, little bit of black pepper powder for some extra spiciness. And now I am going to give it a very good stir. And then I'll cover the lid and within just 5 to 7 minutes my veggie will be absolutely ready. So always I love to have a balanced meal. So with dal, this veggie will add some good fiber into my lunch platter. So that's why I always prefer to have some sabji with my dal. And here you can see my sabji is getting ready there. And now I'm adding some palak into it because I have seen in my fridge I have some palak too, and spinach is very good source of vitamin A. So yes, and also it's protein enriched, so I have added it. So yes, now I'm going to cover the lid for just 2 to 3 minutes and then my sabji will be absolutely ready. And before that, here I'm adding some black pepper powder for extra flavor. And my dal is also ready, so within just 2-3 minutes I can serve my lunch. And this is how I always prefer to have my lunch. All the bowls I just want to show you. Rice bowl is very small and dal and sabji bowl is medium, and also I'll have some yogurt with cucumber. So you can see this is medium size bowl. So this is high in protein, the dal. Also I have added some ghee, and here you can see small amount of rice I'll be having and a good amount of sabji. And here is yogurt, and also I have added some masalas and also cucumber, fresh cucumber into my yogurt. So this is how all the quantity looks like. Now I can make the whole platter. So yes, here is my super delicious, super healthy Monday lunch platter is absolutely ready. Very healthy, simple to make. In the dal I have added some desi ghee because Rujuta ma'am always tells to have ghee in our diet. And I'm taking some lemon and also red chili and some onion. And with yogurt, this is a complete Indian wholesome meal. And now here comes my lunch idea number 2. Also you can have it in your dinner, and this is my Tuesday lunch plan. I'm not going to share the recipe with you all because already I have shared the full recipe in my channel. So here this is how it looks like. Simple rice, but I have added some turmeric and some ghee, and also I have added some jeera in this rice. So in this way this rice is more healthy and more tasty and obviously more delicious. And this chola recipe is very simple. Some other day I'll share the recipe with you all, and some salad and yogurt. This is how my Tuesday wholesome Indian platter looks like. And now my friends, here comes my Wednesday and Thursday lunch or dinner idea, which is again perfect for your weight loss journey. Super healthy, super delicious and absolutely easy to make. Here I am showing you actually 3 platters because I know many people, they don't love to eat chapati or they have some gluten allergy or anything like that. So in that case you can go for always some rice option. That is my third option. Here you can see. So yes, now one by one I'll show you what is there in all this platter. So first of all, in the first platter you can see simple dal with lauki moong dal, rice, papad and 1 bhindi ki sabji. And then in the second platter you can see 1 piece of chapati with ghee, dal also with ghee and some began ki sabji. So yeah, as I told you, if you have any kind of restriction of eating chapati, or if you don't like to have chapati, then you can go for some soybean rice or soybean pulao that I have shared in my third platter, and with that you can have some yogurt too. And my friends, here comes my last and final lunch or dinner idea, which will be non-vegetarian, and also I'll share the recipe in details. So here today I'm making some salmon fish curry, and also this fish curry will be in Bengali style. So I have taken some salmon fish pieces, and then I have taken some onion, and here is star Bengali spice I would love to say. This is mustard powder. I have added some warm water and some salt, and then I made this paste, some yogurt and obviously onion. And for some sabji I'll make some cabbage. So here I have cut the cabbage. So let's start making the lunch. So to make the salmon curry, first of all, here in the oil I have added some kalonji seeds. I'm adding some kalonji seeds because we Bengalis love to add kalonji in our diet. And also my friends, I'm making this fish curry in mustard oil because we Bengalis love to eat mustard oil, especially we are eating fish. And here I'm adding my onion, cut onion, and then I'm going to give it a very good mix. I'll saute it well. And now here I'm adding some salt, and then I'll mix everything well. So my friends, one thing I want to tell you about the fish salmon. Salmon is a very popular fish here in Europe, and this fish is loaded with omega-3 fatty acid. It's perfect for your weight loss journey, good for your brain and heart health. And here you can see in the yogurt I have added some cumin seeds, red chili powder and turmeric powder. Then I am making a paste, and also I'll add this in this onion mixture. Here I am adding it, and after this here I am adding my mustard paste. So yes, first of all yogurt paste and then the mustard paste, that's it. And here I am adding some water into it, and of course I always prefer to add warm water. So yes, now my curry is in lovely consistency, and after a few minutes I'll add my fish into it. Here I am adding little amount of extra turmeric. So you can see my curry is getting ready. We call it basically jhol, and here in the oil I am sauteing my fish. So here you can see I have added my fish pieces into it. Now I have covered the lid and I'll let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes. It will be absolutely ready by that time. This cabbage fry recipe is super simple, very easy, and it's very healthy, my friends. In the olive oil I have added some kalonji seeds and also some garlic cloves, and then I have added my shredded cabbage into it, little amount of black pepper powder, and that's it. My cabbage will be ready within just 5 to 7 minutes. You can cover the lid or you can wait for some few more minutes. It will be absolutely ready by that time. And my friends, about the fish, if you don't have salmon fish in your local market, if you are living in India and you don't have salmon fish regularly, then definitely you can go for some any other fish. Fish is an excellent source of protein. It's white meat and it's perfect for your weight loss journey, loaded with omega-3 fatty acid. And here comes Bengalis' all-time favorite fish platter. And absolutely Bengalis love to have fish curry and rice. So you have seen I have made this fish curry in very less amount of oil, and also I have added some yogurt. It's very healthy, very tasty. And about the rice quantity, I have already shared the bowl. I always love to have that quantity of rice in my diet, especially in the lunchtime. And also here is some cabbage fry. So cabbage will add some fiber and vitamin into the dish, and also fish will provide your essential protein. So in this way, this is a very balanced, perfect and very delicious meal. So I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. So that's all from today's video, my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed all my lunch and dinner platter ideas. All these ideas are super healthy, super tasty. I hope you have enjoyed the recipes that I have shared in details. Some recipes I have already shared in my channel, so that's why I have shared just the platter idea. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I always love to promote healthy lifestyle in my channel, healthy and positive lifestyle and also happy lifestyle. So I hope you have enjoyed my recipes. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new vlog, brand new video. Tata, bye bye, love you.